Good morning, students. Now, today is the same chapter, vector algebra, and topic is a scalar product. That means dot product. You know, student, dot product. What are the A dot B? That is magnitude of A, magnitude of B, cos theta. Yesterday, I discussed the first question, second question. Now, today is the third question. Find the third and fourth are same. Find the projection of vector A on vector B. So, third and fourth are same question, and question number 4. Now, vector A is given and vector B is given. Then, question number 4, vector A is I cap plus 3j cap and plus 7k cap. This is vector A, and now the vector B is 7i cap minus j cap plus 8k cap. And find the projection of the vector A on the vector B. Now look here, student, what are the projection? That means image. So, our first thing now is the formula projection of vector A on vector B. Vector A का vector B पे projection, then formula is vector A dot vector B upon magnitude of B. So, there are two things. First thing now A dot B. Now look here, student, A vector A is given and vector B is given. And what are the value of A dot B? You know, student, dot, that means dot product is a scalar product of two vectors. I cap plus 3j cap plus 7k cap. This is the vector A. And dot vector B is a 7i cap minus j cap plus 8k cap. You know, student, जब भी दो वेक्टर का डॉट प्रोडक्ट करना हो तो हमेशा i से i मल्टीप्लाई होता है, i से j और i से k मल्टीप्लाई नहीं होता है, लेकिन दैट इज वैल्यू जीरो. y is I cap is a unit vector along x axis, j cap is a unit vector along y axis, and k cap is a unit vector along z axis. Now look here, dot product में I dot I, j dot j and k dot k is the 1, but I dot j या I dot k या j dot k या k dot I are 0, right? So now look here, what are the A dot B? I dot I is 1, that is this coefficient 1, this coefficient 7, then 1 into 7, that is 7. J dot j is 1, then plus 3 and minus 1, that is minus 3. And k dot k is 1, then 7 into 8, then 7 8s are 56. Right? So, I dot I is 1, j dot j is 1, k dot k is 1, then 56 minus 3 is a 53, 53 plus 7, that is a 60 is the value of A dot B, right? 56 plus 4 60, 60, 63, and then last 360. And now find the magnitude of vector B. Second thing is the magnitude of vector B. Vector B is given. Student, magnitude कैसे find करते हैं? Now, square of the coefficient of I cap, right? Square of the coefficient of j cap and square of the coefficient of k cap. Now, this is square of 7 is 49, square of minus 1 is plus 1, square of 8 is a 64. Then 49 plus 1 is a 50, 50 plus 60. Then 110, 114, this is the magnitude of B. And now substitute A dot B is 60 and magnitude of B is a root 114. So, this is the answer, that is a projection of vector A on B. यानी vector A की vector B पर image find करनी. Right? Same question number 3rd. Now, question number 5th. Show that each of three vectors, now three vectors are given. Vector A is given, vector B is given, vector C is given, and now show that these vectors are unit vector. So, unit vector prove करना है. That means vector A is given, vector B given, vector C given, and now to show that three vectors are unit vector, that means what are the unit vector? That magnitude is 1. तो आपको वेक्टर ए का मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड करना, वेक्टर बी का मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड करना, वेक्टर सी का मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड करना, और तीनों की वैल्यू अगर 1 आती है तो हेंस वेक्टर ए, वेक्टर बी, वेक्टर सी आर यूनिट वेक्टर. बट इज ऑल्सो सेकंड पार्ट. Now, to show that they are mutually perpendicular to each other. You know, student, mutually perpendicular, what are the condition of two vectors are perpendicular? That means A dot B is 0. आपको अगर दो वेक्टर को परपेंडिकुलर प्रूव करना है तो दैट मीन्स इज अ कंडीशन A डॉट B इज 0. यानी कि आपको परपेंडिकुलर प्रूव करना है तो A डॉट B फाइंड करना. अगर A डॉट B की वैल्यू 0 आती है, दैट मीन्स टू वेक्टर आर परपेंडिकुलर. बट म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर का मतलब, देन नाउ फाइंड A डॉट B, नाउ फाइंड B डॉट C, नाउ फाइंड C डॉट A. ए डॉट बी जीरो अगर आता है, बी डॉट सी की वैल्यू भी जीरो आएगी, सी डॉट ए भी जीरो आता है। अगर ये तीनों जीरो आता है, इसका मतलब वेक्टर ए एंड वेक्टर बी एंड वेक्टर सी आर म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर, मतलब तीनों एक दूसरे से 90 डिग्री पर है, वेक्टर ए, वेक्टर बी, वेक्टर सी। तो स्टूडेंट दिस क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इजी कि पहले तो यूनिट वेक्टर प्रूव करना है, तो नाउ फाइंड मैग्नीट्यूड। यूनिट वेक्टर प्रूव करना है तो नाउ फाइंड मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ ए इज 1, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ बी इज 1 आना चाहिए, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ सी इज 1। बट परपेंडिकुलर प्रूव करना है तो दैट मीन्स ए डॉट बी जीरो आना चाहिए। म्यूचुअली परपेंडिकुलर है, दैट इज ए डॉट बी डॉट सी डॉट ए, राइट, ऑल आर जीरो। सेम क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 and 7. Now question number 6, find the magnitude of A and magnitude of B. And now given A plus B dot A minus B equals to 8. Now there are two things are given. Question number 6. 6 and 7 are same. Question number 6. Now given is a vector A plus vector B dot vector A minus vector B equals to 8. And now second thing is given, magnitude of vector A is the 8 times of magnitude of vector B. There are two things are given, right? And now find the magnitude of A and magnitude of B. Student, वो क्वेश्चन है जिसमें वेक्टर A and वेक्टर B are not given. But now find the magnitude of A, magnitude of B. So now first thing, A plus B dot A minus B equals to 8 है। जैसे हम सिंपल दो फैक्टर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं वैसे ही डॉट प्रोडक्ट करना है। फर्स्ट थिंग, वेक्टर A डॉट वेक्टर A, दैट इज नाउ राइट इज A डॉट A, देन A डॉट B, B dot A, and प्लस माइनस माइनस B डॉट B। सिंपल दो फैक्टर को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं वैसे आपको दो वेक्टर को मल्टीप्लाई करना है, देन इक्वल्स टू 8। And now look here, yesterday I discussed what are the value of A dot A. I dot I, J dot J, K dot K are 1. But same vector का dot product, vector का dot product, right? A dot A, what is the value of A dot A is the magnitude of A square. This is very, very important identity. What is the V dot B? That is the magnitude of B square. Equals to 8 as it is. And now dot product में A dot B find करो या B dot A are same क्योंकि commutative law will be applied. That means आप A dot B को B dot A लिख सकते हो या B dot A को A dot B लिख सकते हो, कोई changes नहीं, right? And same A dot B are cancelled. Now magnitude of A is given from first, which is the value of magnitude of A is 8 times of magnitude of B, that is a 64 square है, that is a 64 magnitude of B square, and minus magnitude of B square as it is equals to 8. Then 64 में से 1 less हुआ, that is a 63 magnitude of B square equals to 8. So what are the value of magnitude of B square equals to 8 by 63? Then magnitude of vector B equals to, right, under root of 8 by 63, right? 8 का square root, that is a 2 root 2, right? And 9 sevens are 63, that means 3 root 3. So this is the value of magnitude of B. And now substitute the value of magnitude of B in equation first, then find magnitude of vector A. So same question, question number 7. Now is the question number 8. Find the magnitude of two vectors. Is also find now question number 8 is the same. Find the magnitude of vector A. Now look here, student, find the magnitude of vector A, right, and vector B having the same magnitude. Same magnitude, that means magnitude of A and magnitude of B are equal, right? And such that angle between them is 60 degree. Now theta is given 60 degree. And there is scalar product. Scalar product, that means product of two vectors. Dot product of two vectors. Scalar product of two vector A dot B is given 1 by 2. So now look here, find the magnitude of vector A and vector B. Now look here, student. Angle is given, dot product is given, magnitude is equal. What are the formula of A dot B? You know, student, A dot B, that is the magnitude of A and magnitude of B cos theta. Then A dot B is given 1 by 2 and magnitude of A, magnitude of B are equal. That is magnitude of A square. And cos theta is 60 degree. Then 1 by 2 as it is, magnitude of A square as it is, and cos 60 is 1 by 2. Then 1 by 2 to 1 by 2 cancel. Magnitude of A square equals to 1. That means magnitude of A is 1. Right? So, what are the magnitude of B? The same. This is 1. और कभी भी किसी वेक्टर का मैग्नीट्यूड इज 1, दैट मीन्स दिस इज यूनिट वेक्टर. So question number 8 and 9 are same. 6, 7 and 9 all are same. Question number 9 is again find the magnitude of vector x. Find the magnitude of vector x. You know student, magnitude of vector x find karna hai. Now given is a unit vector, that means magnitude of a is 1. Question number 9th mein. And then vector x minus vector a dot vector x plus vector a equals to 12. You know students, same this is x dot x minus plus x dot a minus a dot x and minus a dot a. And you know student, what is the x dot x? This is again important identity, is the magnitude of x square. Dot product में a dot b and b dot a are equal, these are cancelled. So left a dot a and a dot a is a magnitude of a square equals to 12. So magnitude of a is 1, given a is a unit vector. So magnitude of a is 1. So then 1 is transferred, magnitude of x square equals to 13. So what are the value of magnitude of x is a root 13. This is answer. Now question number 10, vector a is given, vector b is given, vector c is given, and now such that a plus lambda b is a perpendicular to vector c, and find the value of lambda. You know student, this question is again same formula, कि what are the condition of two vector are perpendicular. You know student, two vector are perpendicular, that means a dot b equals to 0, and two vector are parallel, that is the condition equals to lambda b. This is the condition equals to lambda b, is two vector are parallel, yeah, two vector are collinear. So now look here, then question number 10, vector a is given 2i cap plus 2j cap plus 3k cap. Vector b is given minus I cap plus 2j cap and plus k cap. And vector c is given 3i cap plus j cap, k cap is not given, that is 0 k cap. And now the given, according to question that is given, what are the given? A plus lambda b is perpendicular to vector c. What are the meaning? Find the value of lambda. What are the condition? Two vector are perpendicular. You know student, two vector are perpendicular, that means two vector are perpendicular, that means dot product is 0. यानी कि a plus lambda b dot vector c equals to 0. That is, so now a dot c plus lambda b dot c, multiply this equals to 0. You know a dot c, vector a is given, vector c is given, right? What are the dot product? सबको मालूम है dot product कैसे करते हैं? I को I से, j को j से और k को k से. Then 2 3 are 6. What is the value of a dot c? 6. 2 1s are 2, and 3 into 0, that is 0. This is the value of a dot c plus lambda b dot c, b and c. This is b and c, right? So again dot product, that is a minus 1 into 3, that is minus 3. 2 1s are 2 and 1 into 0, that is 0, equals to 0. Now look here, 6 plus 2 is 8 and minus 3 plus 2, that is a minus lambda. So what are the value of lambda? That is 8. So student, dot product, that means what are the condition of two vector are perpendicular, that means a dot b equals to 0, right? So same question number 11, and to show that two vectors are perpendicular, so this is again same is a आपको perpendicular prove करना, that means is a now find the value of a dot b. अगर a dot b की value 0 आती है, that means two vectors are perpendicular, but perpendicular is given, and find the value of any constant, that is given a dot b equals to 0, right? Now is the question number 16. Question number 16 is to show that 3 points are collinear. You know student, 3 points are collinear, 3 points are given, right? This question can be solved by two methods. Now this very single method, 3 points are given, A point 1, comma 2, comma 7, B point is a 2, comma 6, comma 3, and C point is a 3, comma 10, comma minus 1. Right? Then first thing now, this is in Cartesian form now, right? In vector form. So, student, vector form में लिखना हो तो first thing is a position vector of point A. And position कहाँ से count होती है? O point से. Now, right, is a vector OA is a 1 I cap plus 2 j cap plus 7 k cap. Now, write in vector form. Same position vector of point B, that is a vector OB, and position vector of point C. Right? So, now then vector OC. So, vector OB is a 2i cap plus 6j cap plus 3k cap. And now the vector OC is a 3i cap plus 10j cap minus k cap. So, in this question is a two method. One is a 10.2 method and second is a 10.3 method. 10.3 is of 10.2 is a method, then A equals to lambda B. But 10.3 method is a very simple method कि आपको 3 point को collinear prove करना है. First thing now, right, find vector AB. Student, vector AB, what is the vector AB? Vector OB minus vector OA. Right? Now, second thing now, find vector BC, OC minus OB. Third thing is to find vector CA, that is OA minus OC. आप तीनों वेक्टर फाइंड करके वेक्टर ए बी, वेक्टर बी सी, वेक्टर सी ए फाइंड कर लो. फाइंड करने के बाद नाउ फाइंड मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ वेक्टर ए बी, मैग्नीट्यूड ऑफ बी सी, मैग्नीट्यूड, तीनों का मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड करो. अगर इन तीनों का मैग्नीट्यूड फाइंड करने का नाउ सम ऑफ एनी टू is equal to third, that means is a vector AB, magnitude of vector AB is equal to vector BC, magnitude of vector BC plus magnitude of vector CA. That is 3 points are collinear. This question solution now is exercise के ऊपर example दे रखा है, example 21. So please check example 21, right? This is the solution of question number 16. Thank you, students. Now please solve dot product.